Hello, my name is Benhar. This is our second assignment of human-computer interaction. The objective of this assignment is to create a Python assistant, Alexa, that reads out all the latest news category-wise and also opens specific news in the browser upon asking. Let's get into the coding part. First, import all the required libraries like play sound for playing sounds, PTTSX3 to convert the text to speech, then speech recognition to convert the speech into the text, RE for regular expressions, web browser to open up URL, and then URL lib.request to open and read the URLs, and finally URL lib.parse for parsing of the URLs. Now copy the URL of a site and store it in the URL variable. This URL lib.parse.url encode does the URL encoding of all the values. For example, if we search something, it basically converts this into this URL form. This job is done by URL lib.parse.url encode. Then we convert this into your Unicode transformation format using data encode function. Then we make a request by passing the variable URL and data which is encoded above and store it in a REQ variable. To open the URL that we requested above, we use URL open function from the URL lib request library. Then we read the response and store it in a resp data variable. The resp data basically contains the page source of the URL site. We'll print that and see how it will work. We can observe that the source code of a particular website is stored in the resp data. This resp data is useless because it contains all the HTML and other web development languages commands. In order to extract only the useful information from this, we use regular expressions. This command stores all the data present between the title equal to double quotes and double quotes. This is because in our URL all the data that we require, that is news, is stored between in the title tag. We'll show you. See, you can we require only the headlines and this news. So we'll search for this Bihar election results. See, we can observe here that all the headlines are present only between title and in the title tag of the HTML. You can see this may vary for different websites. Some websites may contain this data in the paragraph tag, or some may contain this in the header tags. Run this. Next, then we removed all the unwanted data that is present in the title tags. For example, RSS news, navigation news, these are also present in the title tag, so we removed all this. And in case if there are any duplicates, we'll remove that using this remove function and return the same list. We'll run this. Next, this speak text function converts the text into speech in order to communicate with the user. It uses pyttxx3 library. Then this while loop, in this while loop, the actual communication between the user and Alexa takes place. Using speech recognition and microphone as source, it listens to the user and stores the speech of the user in the query variable, and accordingly it gives replies. The algorithm used here is that it searches for the keywords present in that query, and accordingly it will search for the keyword and give the reply. For example, if the user says basic comments like simple questions like hello Alexa, hi Alexa, hey Alexa, it will reply like hello, welcome, what do you want me to do? Or if the user asks how are you or how is it going, it will say I'm fine, thank you. Then some like this, some other basic questions it will answer. These are just to bring the real life experience, experience to the user. Then these are all the categories of news we usually ask. If the query contains like headlines or breaking, it will give all the breaking news. If it contains India or national, it will read out all the national news. Similarly, it will, for all the categories, it will read out the news. For example, movies, elections, sports, trending, technology, etc. And if the user says exit or thank you or thanks in the query, then it will say thank you for using, hope you liked it, and it will exit, and it will break the while loop. In case if the query doesn't contain any of the keywords mentioned above, then it will say I'm sorry, I did not understand, do you want me to open a particular news? I can open it for you. Then if the user says yes or yeah, it will ask for what do you want me to open. Then the user can say some latest news based on his requirement. Then it will open it using the browser. It uses Google as a search engine and search the query in the Google URL format and open in a web browser. If he says no or if you don't want, it will say okay, and it will continue listening. Now we will test this by asking some set of questions. Hello Alexa.
Hello, welcome. What do you want me to do?
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Who are you?
I am your assistant. I can read out the latest news for you.
How is it going?
I am fine, thank you.
What can you do?
I am your assistant. I can read out the latest news for you.
Please read out today's headlines for me.
Bihar election results 2020 live updates. NDA now overtakes RJD-led alliance with leads in over 120 seats. Bihar election results, NDA comes back strongly against HCI alliance in trends. MP by polls, BJP leads on 18 seats, Congress in 8, Kamal Nath visits Hanuman Temple.
What's trending on social media?
Worker bathes in tub filled with milk at dairy plant in Turkey. Dog enjoys snowboarding in adorable viral video. Tanishq takes down cracker-free Diwali ad after Twitter outrage. Donald Trump is no longer US Pres at Madame Tussauds. Just another man in golf attire. River in Russia turns beetroot red due to pollution. Joe Biden / granddaughter shares delightful family pic after his win. Sudarshan Patnaik congratulates Joe Biden and Kamala Harris with sand art. Yes, Malika Sherawat hung out with Kamala Harris in 2009.
Tell me some latest news in IIIT Nagpur.
I am sorry, I did not understand. Do you want to know about a particular news? I can open it for you.
No.
Okay.
What are the latest technological advancements?
Zoom to ramp up security as it enters settlement with US FTC. WhatsApp payments live in India. Here is how to enable feature on app. Samsung tip to bring Android 11 based One UI 3 to 90 phones. Here is the complete list. Apple One More Thing event today. How to watch what to expect and other key details /XC2/XA0. OnePlus 9 series key specifications, design details leak, could come with 144 Hz display and more. Vodafone Idea data packs for postpaid users start at 100 rupees with up to 50 GB data. Google India faces antitrust probe from HCI. Best under 25,000 rupees phones to buy this Diwali: Vivo V20, V20 SE, OnePlus Nord, Realme 7 Pro make the cut.
Thanks for the information.
Thank you for using. Hope you liked it.
Now we'll try with some different set of questions. We'll run this again. Hello Alexa.
Hello, welcome. What do you want me to do?
Read out some national news.
Bihar poll results, NDA, Grand Alliance in close fight in trends in 125 seats. Early trends shortly as counting begins for Bihar verdict. Election intelligence dashboard, all you need to know about the latest trends in Bihar. Gujarat by poll results live, BJP gains early leads in 7 seats, Congress leads in Mumbai. India reports 38,074 new coronavirus cases, 448 deaths. Bihar elections 2020, in early trends, NDA leads in 15 seats, Grand Alliance in 9. Dubaka by-election result, BJP leading with 20,226 votes, TRS trailing by 2,000 votes. Bihar poll results, gauging the mood of people in Raghapur.
Read out some sports news.
Manju Verma of JDU trails from Chariabari Arpur, RJD candidate leads by over 7,000 votes. BJP focused on wrong issues in Bihar, demonetization was black chapter, says Shiv Sena editorial. INDVSAUS, 30,000 fans allowed per day at Gaba, 27,000 for D/N test in Adelaide. Rohit and not Ajinkya should captain India in Virat Kohli /S absence, Pathan. Virat Kohli /S decision to take paternity leave should be respected, CA. Rohit Sharma in for tests, Kohli to only play first test in Australia, says BCCI. IPL 2020, how Mumbai Indians dominated their way to the final. Place in final earned, time to lift IPL 2020 trophy now, DC coach Ponting.
Tell me something about COVID-19 second wave.
I am sorry, I did not understand. Do you want to know about a particular news? I can open it for you.
Yes.
What do you want me to open?
COVID-19 second wave.
Opening in browser.
We can observe that the query is concatenated with the news and being searched in the browser. That's all.
Thank you for watching the video.